A fourth case of bird flu was confirmed this week on a Maryland chicken farm, but state health and agriculture officials told lawmakers Friday that the situation, while concerning, is still manageable at the moment. The remarks came during a briefing for the House Environment and Transportation Committee on Friday, just 2 days after the latest case was discovered on an Eastern Shore commercial farm. "We're concerned, but we feel that we have the ability to respond appropriately to reduce the risk," Agriculture Deputy Secretary Stephen Connolly said after the 45-minute hearing. Bird flu had not been detected in the state since late 2023, but that changed in January when the Maryland Department of Agriculture announced the discovery of the first case on January 14 on a commercial farm in Caroline County. It was followed by cases on January 16 in a Queen Anne's County commercial flock, on January 21 on a second farm in Caroline County and Wednesday in Dorchester County, according to U.S. Department of Agriculture data. After a lull of more than a year, Connolly said that bird flu is back with a vengeance. "We're currently managing 4 outbreaks on our eastern shore, all caught on pre-market testing," Maryland Agriculture Secretary Kevin Addix told the committee. Since 2022, there have been 9 total farms affected, including backyard farms. So we have to keep in mind that there are, in addition to commercial poultry farms, there are hundreds of backyard flocks.